What are you shooting now?
The H&K USP 9 full size.
Are you going to run out of ammo anytime tonight?
Oh no. No. That's the possibility.
All right. Introduce yourself here.
Well, I'm Camden from American Tactical in Palm, Shelby, North Carolina. I have a H&K USP 9 full size that I purchased. It came with the jet funnel, which allows the 18 round magazines. If you have a standard USP, they'll stick out a little bit. It came with the Insight Mark II Universal Tactical Light, made for H&K rails. Has the LEM, the law enforcement modification trigger, so you get a nice, it's double action, but you get a real nice single action type pull on it. It's got the True Dot night sights, ambidextrous mag release, and she's a good shooting pistol.
It's not the prettiest thing in the world, but it's a good shooter, isn't it?
I think she...
Oh, it looks a little prettier now.
I think she outperforms the looks of the Glocks. Not necessarily.
Well,
maybe might have an edge.
You know, sometimes the prettiest ones are not the much fun. You know what I mean?
Like I say, Glocks are power tools. They're not going to win a beauty contest, but they're pretty darn good at what they do.
There you go with that Glock trash talking again.
But I just did so much Glock loving a second ago.
All right, let's see what you got.
Whoops.
Now that's how to kill some steel right there.
Yeah. More steel killed.
Very nice. That's what I'm talking about.
Oh.
Man, that's a good shooter right there.
Yeah. I just haven't shot her in about 6 months or so. But yeah, I kind of forgot you got to aim. You know, every pistol has a different personality, it seems like.
Right.
With the sights and everything, sight to bore relationship. But yeah, once I got back in the swing of things, pretty good with it.
I'll tell you what, you nailed those.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, I took 2 of the rivers on these now.
Yes, sir. You knocked 2 of them completely off their feet there. Now that's killing some targets right there, guys. All right, guys, if you like this video, like, favorite, and subscribe, and remember, Big Daddy loves you most of the time. I did say most of the time. You gonna pick up my targets? If you knock them down, you gotta pick them up, big boy. Nah, guys, Big Daddy loves you all the time. Take care.